Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure A/B testing in Firebase with remote config, full guide step by step clearly. To configure A/B testing in Firebase with remote config, start by signing into your Firebase console. Select your project from the list. In the left-hand menu, navigate to the Remote Config section. Click on Create Configuration to set up your parameters. Define a parameter that you want to test, such as changing the text of a button. Specify default values for this parameter. Next, click on Add Parameter to include any variants you want to test. Assign specific values to each variant of your parameter. Then, navigate to the A/B testing section in the left-hand menu. Click on Create Experiment. Name your experiment descriptively, as this will help you identify it later. Select the remote config parameters you want to include in the experiment. Set the percentage of users that will be included in the experiment. Choose the experiment's goal, such as increasing clicks or user engagement. Once you've made your selections, click on Create. Firebase will generate unique user segments for your experiment. You'll receive a prompt to launch the experiment. Click Start Experiment. Review the metrics after the experiment concludes to analyze results. Make data-driven decisions based on your findings. You can then implement the winning variant for all users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.